This is a small portable desk that was, the original is in Winterthur Museum. The original was built in about 1800 to 1810 by the Seymours, and I'm redoing it now. Here's a view of the desk in its open position up here. Open, and then here's the closed position. Notice in the closed position you see the tambour slats here that cover up the container, and this top is hinged over to close the desk. Here it's open, and also the drawer is opened, and that drawer pulls the tambour, so it exposes this container up here. I want to show a little bit how this tambour, how I tested the tambour and tested the design of the tambour, the size of it, the rabbet, and so on, and how it fit into the groove. So I'll move to a different view here, and then I want to hide some components here. Hide the right hand side here and this container, and then this block, I want to hide that as well. And then I want to do a side view, a right view, and we can see in there and see the tambour. There are 56 little slats that run in a groove in the side and run in a groove in this turret up here. And I'm going to change to a camera parallel projection, and now you can see the tambour. Let me just delete some of these slats and work with a couple slats and show you how I tested this tambour around this groove up here. So I'm going to edit that component and just knock out a bunch of slats just to show you a little bit here how this works. So I want to just bring some slats up here and rotate them around in this groove, and you can see the rabbet on the end of these tambour slats is a rabbet that fits within this 1/8 inch groove here. The groove is straight at this point, but then it turns to a circle here. So if I just add a slat, I can just grab it on the corner and bring it over to that corner, and that works fine. It's clearing the groove. Now I can add another slat. It's still working well, and then I can, let me just add another one, but now you can see that I'm protruding into the gap here, off the track. So I need to rotate that slat. I'll pick the rotate tool and rotate it about this corner, and now it's clearing. Even if I turn on X-ray, you can see how it clears the boundary of that groove. So I can add another slat and connect it to that corner, and again I'm protruding into the side there, so I have to rotate that and rotate that just about, well, let's go that far. Now I should be able to do something a little bit different here. Let me try to copy two. Let me select these two and see if I can just rotate those two about this center point. This center point is the groove center, and so if I rotate copy, so I'm going to hit the control key and click here, and then grab this corner and see if I can just rotate around. And you can see that I clear everything. Now I can pick 4 of these and do that copy again, and pretty soon I'm going to have all of the slats worked out all the way around to the end of the groove right here. So that's a way of using rotate copy and make fast work of something that would be quite tedious to work out. Now I want here, and I want to hit the control key and tap that, and just now I can just copy the 4 and connect it, and we're good. So now I can do 8 and then so on.